Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Grow and Clip Bonsai for Seniors. Today is 8/15 of 2024. It's Thursday, 70 degrees Fahrenheit, 21 degrees Celsius. The time is 11 o'clock in the morning, 11 a.m. Cloudy with some rain on and off today. Not a lot of heavy rain, but just a light rain. Got the ground nice and soaked. We're going to do an experiment today. Pumice stone. Seed on a pumice stone, will it root into or on the stone, and will it grow on the stone? And this is not putting any soil on the stone at all. So that's how the stone looks. And I have 3 different containers. Here's one. You can see how wet the stone is. I got one in a dish where I drilled a hole in the bottom. And this is just an old pot that I got cheap. It had a plastic plant in there, so I ripped it out and put it in. It was only $1, but I like the pot. So I got myself some, a couple of lemon seeds, and I think these lemon seeds will be viable enough to try and grow it. So the first one I'm going to do, well, we got to move Pinkie Pie over. I know it's a mess today. It's a mess, Pinkie Pie. Now let's put her over here. Yeah, I got a lot of mess, a lot of work to do. So I'm going to take, I got one big seed, but I don't know if that's going to grow. So I'm going to take this little seed out. If I can get it, well, it's better to use the fingers. What I'll do is I'll dump the water out and put the seeds in the paper towel. That way there I can grab it better. I'm going to take this one seed, I'm going to just put it on the top here. Well, I didn't think they were that slippery. That's why I had to prepare the pots ahead of time. I'm going to put it right here. Right here, so maybe the roots will grow down into the little crevice into the stone. I don't know. Then I got another seed I'm going to put right on top of this stone. I could have put it in the crevice, but maybe that's where maybe it'll root into that. I don't know, but we'll try it out. I got another seed here. If I can get it out, they're super slippery. And it looks almost like a root coming out of it, but we'll try it out. And we'll put this one right in the middle of this one. So let's see what's going to happen. I don't know, but what I'll do is I'm going to keep it inside until it starts growing and just keep the stone wet and see if that stimulates the seed to grow. And we'll track the progress of the root and see what's going on. So I can do updates on it just to see what's going on to it. And maybe I can get this other piece of pumice stone and find a pot, and I can put the 2 in there. One over here and maybe one in the corner here, or one in here, and see what happens, but I got to get another pot. Just a short experiment. We try it out. We'll see how the pumice stone reacts. And for now, I'll just keep some water in here to keep the seeds hydrated, because I kept it there for a good half hour, 45 minutes, the seeds. And we'll go from there. This seed I have to flip over. There we go. It's just like it landed on a rock. In the wild, it just fell. So, let's see we go from there. Well, will pumice stone work on this? And it should stay wet by me keeping the soil wet. So it's going to stay in the basement until the roots start growing. We can do an update on it if they grow and see what happens. So you know what today is? It's Thursday night. It's Thursday. Tonight is book night. Grab a good book. What else? Grab a cup of tea enjoy the evening with a good book for at least a half hour, and just shut everything off, phone, TV, YouTube, and just sit back, relax, and enjoy a good reading to clear your mind from all this visual stuff on the TV and stuff, and on the YouTube and phone and everything else. So you take care, everybody, and fingers crossed on this experiment. I'm going to see what happens. You take care, everybody, and have a good evening.